Hi everyone, how are we all doing? Cheers. Almost forgot to start the stream this morning because I was sitting here playing. Oh my gosh. This laser is the worst thing I've ever done. It is, not only is it a massive time sink, it's so much fun, but it is just taking up all my time. Like I cannot get anything else done. I'm just piss fighting around with the laser. Hey John, I don't know where you're posting that from, John, but you're doing it wrong. So you got to stop. I've changed the syntax. I couldn't find where you were posting it from. John Meeking. Where are you? Where are you doing it from? I don't know where you're doing it from. Very interesting. Yeah, where on Discord? Oh, you're doing it privately? You must be doing it privately on the bot. Okay. The syntax has changed. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to reset it. The syntax has changed a bit. So, just hold on. Hold your horses. Ooh, look at that. So, I got to fill everyone in what's going on. It's okay. No worries, John. It's all good. Yeah. Yep. I don't even know where to start. Like, I just added a cool new feature 30 seconds ago. And I've only added it to one thing. Oh, my God. This is just nuts. So, where do I start? Firstly, all the commands for everything have changed. Okay? Don't try setting the logo. It doesn't work that way anymore. Okay? So just everyone, hold on. So, I have a new black wall board. Yes, I do. And if you can see, it lines up nicely. I've got my logo on black and all the colors nice and vibrant. Let's get the elephant in the room out of the way first. The little black section on the side of the M, that's where the board is, and the power adapter. I need to somehow get them, I need to rewire it all and get it behind the board. Right now it's just sitting between the logo and the board, and so there's a bit of section where the light it can't spill out. It's being blocked, right? I can't do anything about that right now. It requires a lot of work. I need to desolder all the wires. I need to put much longer wires in and everything else. But the board looks amazing, like it does. So that's just black poster board, 4 A1 sections of board that are stuck together. And it's just sitting, it's mounted on the wall where my holes of the logo were. And I lifted the logo up about 15 centimeters. Black session allows us to obsess over something. Right, well, I'm going to fix it. I just haven't had time. The problem is, it needs some resoldering, and it's a 2-person job to get it back together again, like up on the wall. But it is straight. It's very straight. It's perfectly straight, actually. But the issue is, obviously, this camera's on an angle, and the Logitech camera that I've got sitting there for the board is also slightly on an angle. So it's I need to find a different way of mounting this Logitech camera. Firstly, off the desk, because right now it's on the desk. So whenever I bang the desk, that happens. That's annoying. But also it's too far to the side. It's being blocked. I need to mount it on the floor with some extrusion or something and get it right in front, and that'll straighten it up. So the wall and the logo is straight. Just letting you know. Right. So that's the first thing I did. And now I've also, can't even find my thing, I've ripped out all of so my patrons know about this already. I've ripped out all of, sorry Brian's YouTube API stuff, not running anymore. I've moved everything over to MQTT. I've got an MQTT server running. Right, so it's all running on my machine here right now, so I can just watch it and monitor it. This is the first time I'm doing it all on the live stream together. And so, thanks, Peter. And dislike, that's really funny. Oh, you should have waited. Okay, thank you, Peter. I really appreciate that. I do. I needed to check my code to see if I can capture super chats. But I hadn't enabled that yet because I didn't know I needed to scan what was coming through. Anyway, okay, we'll get to that. I'm sorry if I seem scattered right now. There's really a lot of stuff to talk about. So it's all running off MQTT now, and I'm running a Python script externally on my machine that does all of the YouTube scraping. And it's working differently. It's not direct API access. It's just doing scraping, which means I don't know if I can capture things like super chats or anything yet. But this is worth it because this is not running on the device. It means that both the logo and my laser are just subscribing to my MQTT server now. And one script in Python deals with all of it, right? But not only that, because it's MQTT now, I made a Discord bot. And now you can control the logo and my laser from Discord as well as from YouTube, which means they can be controlled at any time. Now, there was something I just added. I don't want anyone trying it yet. Just hold on. I need to show you how it all works. There's new syntax, new commands to do it all. But I just added something. Oh, see, the second I show you, I'm not gonna show. I'll show you it. I'm not going to tell you how to do it yet. Just hold on, because I need to keep adding some more things in. Right? I'm going to do that this morning. I'll do it now, but I want to show you something first. So I'm going to do it here. Let me change to this view. Ready? So I'm doing this from Discord.
Unexpected Maker wrote, "This is gonna be sick on the laser."
How good was that? Could you all hear that? So not only does it show a message on the screen, but it does a voice notification of what's happening as well. So I want to add that to all of them because right now it's only doing it for the laser. Right, but I can turn it off really easily. And I got to show you how to do it. And if I don't show you how to do it, then it's not going to be right. We're not doing a bit loony, right? So what I need to do, I need to add some punctuation to that because that was a bit. Yeah, probably yes, Mike. Yes, maybe I'll turn that off. Maybe I'll turn it off. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see. Yeah, this is going to be. This is. It will become annoying. Yeah, what I could do instead is, I might just for the moment, I'm going to just, I'm not going to show you what I'm changing just yet because it's going to show you the commands and you're going to spam it. I'm not going to, but I'll show you in a minute. I might change it to be, I might do this instead. I hate. One second. I've got a tabs versus space problem on a script. And it's doing my head in. And it's not letting me get rid of it. Okay, got it. Okay, so I might make it just do this instead. I think this will be better.
Laser message.
So it'll just tell me that there's a laser message. Yeah, we won't spam it, honest. Okay, right. So I'm going to add this. So I'm going to show you my code quickly. It's pretty gnarly. This is the Discord bot we'll start with. So I'm not going to go through the whole Discord bot or how to make a Discord bot. That was a sucky experience to go through. But basically what I've got is I'm just using the subprocess command like in Python to be able to just do a say. Hang on, let's make that bigger. So I'm just using, where's it gone? I'm just using a command issuing say and then what the message is. So I'm just going to do that for, that's for laser, and when this will be, you see this little squiggly thing? It's because it's mixing tabs and spaces. I had it say new tool drawing. And also I'm going to do a logo updated. Cool. Okay. So I'm going to stop that. Laser stuff is what? What do you mean it's not for mods? It's for anyone. Okay, so let's, I just realized I'm going to be on the wrong thing. Okay, so I'm in the live streams channel on my Discord server. So, I think I can make this bigger. I can. Okay. How do I get rid of the people on the side? Hi. So if you type in colon, that's to talk to the MQTT server, to the MQTT bot, as you can see over here on the side. And if you just type in help, it gives you some help on how to use it. So I can go logo, yeah, rainbow. Oops, no, that won't work because I forgot the colon. Whoops. Rainbow.
Logo updated.
How fast is that? And now we have a logo that is rainbow. Right? I could go colon logo. Yeah,
logo updated.
Okay, that's going to get annoying. It's going to get annoying. Right, you set it to blue, but it's in rainbow. You have to set it to color, not mum help. Logo trails. Now it'll be in blue trails.
Logo updated.
Oh, it just did the blue. Why is that going so slow?
Logo updated.
Oh, the sparkles worked. Okay, I'm going to make this say logo updated to, and then the message. I'm just going to stop that. Start that again. No, you don't do color pink. It's one word. You just do logo pink.
New turtle drawing.
Well, there we go. So that's how you do turtle. And if you want to do a laser message, laser hello world.
New turtle drawing. Laser message. Laser message.
And you see that? It'll do the message and then it'll go back to drawing what the pictures were. Why is everyone drawing that picture?
Logo updated to pink.
Is that the picture you drew, Mr. England? Did you just copy paste someone else's before? So when it's drawing the turtle stuff, it draws it with the person's name for the first little bit, and then it takes the name away. Okay, copied from the post. Okay, that's cool. Okay, right. So I want to make sure there isn't a bug. So that's how Discord works, and let's just go back to here. If I just go to the chat, right, I can do the same thing in here. The way it works now is you do exclamation mark, logo, and then you'd say trails. There's no voice from the, what do you call it? From the YouTube one, I haven't put any voice in, and I might get rid of the voice, right? Or you go exclamation mark, turtle, and the command, or exclamation mark, laser. And hello everyone.
Logo updated to rainbow. New turtle drawing.
Okay, my name broke on that one. So that's a bit weird. Okay. Oh boy. I'm getting rid of the voice. I'm getting rid of the voice. Yeah, I've done something bad's happened with the name. Bugs, lots of bugs. So you can remember I've got things coming in from different places and lots of different whatever. Why is it not doing the name properly? Okay, I got to fix the name. Ooh.
New turtle drawing.
Okay, I'm stopping the Discord bot for the second. I'm getting rid of the talking. It's going to get annoying. Sure. It's more for when things get changed, not on a live stream. Like before the live stream started, John was already changing the logo via Discord. So it just would have been cool if I got a message that happened. Okay, Discord's back up. So now when you change your... I need to fix the name. Oh, that's going to be a problem. Right, so the way the drawing works now, something we worked on last week, is if you re-update it, if you send a message again, what was that message? Anyway, you can't do quotes. There's no quotes, so that'll just be a space. That won't, yeah. So if you update your picture, your turtle graphics, it'll actually update it. It'll replace your existing one. It won't add a second one. And then it just cycles through everyone's drawings 5 seconds at a time. What's the word for non-caps? There isn't no non-caps. Everything's uppercase. Everything gets shifted to uppercase whether you want to or not. Hey Mark, hi Emma. I haven't done a roll call. I haven't said hi to Eva. I will in a second. I need to fix this. So did your picture just get updated, Mr. England? I hope so. What does the graphic represent with the blue in the middle? What blue in the middle? What graphic, what blue in the middle? You talking about what that picture was? It doesn't mean anything. Will only be seen when you stream. What? How? I'm sorry. Too many questions. Is that what you're talking about, Peter? That picture before? I don't know. People can make whatever they want to make. Oh, don't talk to me about the pixel. Did you come in late, did you, Mike? Okay. No, there's no dead pixels. There's a tiny S2 and a power cable sitting there blocking the LEDs. I need to push them behind the backing, but I can't do that right now. Okay, I need to fix the name stuff because that's a problem. How am I going to fix this? Do you guys want to see code, or are you just going to happy playing on the screen? See, I need to fix that. Like, Peter's name didn't come up right. Oh, actually, you know what it could be? I know what it is. I bet you it's that. I'm stopping the YouTube one, starting it again. Well, it's actually open all the time. Oh no, it's not going to let me quit the... Oh no. I can't quit the app. This will be interesting. I wonder if it's still running. Okay, see if this works. Okay, did that just come from Discord? No. Okay, that worked, I think. Did that work? The E is the embedded hobbyist, correct. I'm truncating the names. I'm doing the first bit if there's a space and then one letter, because it slows down the drawing of the stuff. That is way too bright. I need to turn down the brightness. This is just Mike C. Help. Yeah, no, there's no help in YouTube. And I need to fix the B. Oh, I've still got so much to tell you guys. Mark, oh, snop. Okay, so the I think the color intensity is a little bit too much, and the brightness, I think I need to turn the brightness down a bit. Pre-carboned, what? It's too bright. So I'm just playing with the color settings. Snop is what Swedish kids call their didgeridoo. Their didgeridoo. Right, okay. Mark. Okay, I need to fix this name stuff for everyone else. Hang on. Or for all the other things. Name to upper. No, not to upper, just upper. 1, 2, and the logo doesn't have a name. Looping equals false. You know, guys don't want to see code, do you? I'm happy to show you code, but it seems everyone is playing with stuff. Okay, I need to trash the YouTube one again. I just trashed the YouTube one again. Okay. I think that's working now. Can you do yours again, Rhoda? Post yours again and make sure it captured your name this time. Ah, here we go, Mr. England. Well done. Well done, Christopher. Okay, let's see if Rhoda's updated. Why is AJ's... What's happening with... Okay, Rhoda's name's updated again. Why is AJ's coming in so many times? That's weird. Okay, I'm restarting it. Restarting the Tiny Pico. It's going to clear the buffer. Yes, oh, look at that logo. Except it's a bit warped. What can I tell you? When it boots, it does a logo. Yes, they are naughty. Naughty little boys. Okay. So you can see why I've been having so much fun, right? And getting all these APIs working and talking to each other and getting them fast and then stuff like that. Okay, it's all clear now. It's been reset. Was that not you doing it? Is it getting confused, is it? Maybe they're not updating for some reason. So if you post it again, it should update your picture. It shouldn't add a new one. And it should just cycle between them all. So Rhoda just added one. There's Rhoda's. That's cool, Rhoda. That's very cool. He's not the Messiah. He's just a very naughty boy. Okay, now I need to fix the B. The B on the fonts. So one of the other things I've done is I've been going through and optimizing all of the characters to get them to draw faster. So the J as well I need to fix. So the writing doesn't look quite as nice as it used to, but it's 10 times faster, 20 times faster. How do you make the shape codes for the fonts? It's painful. I can show you. Oh, we've lost like 20 something people in the chat. I wonder if people are giving up already. Is anyone interested in me saying hi to everyone? I don't even know if I've got all my chat here still. I'm going to say hi to everyone. Just quickly. Hybotics, hello. Peter, hello. And thanks again for your super chat. Really appreciate it. Dutch Taurus, hi. Mako, Rota, Aaron, hello. Wagon Loads, Ray. Andy Day, Adam Bryant, hi. Ian. Foos you doos. How are you pigeons? Or how are your pigeons? Really, Ian? Is that really what it means? Johnny, hello. Rat Madness, hi. Tabletronics, John Meeking, Graham. I've missed a whole bunch of chat at the top. It's already too late. It's gone. Bruce, hi. Christopher, the naughty boy Christopher. Tabletronics, hello. David Dessa. Jerker, hi. Okay, still scrolling. Mike, g'day. G'day, mate. My stuff's coming today, I think. Today or tomorrow, my helium stuff. X-Micron, hi. Rob E. Hello. Scrolling. IVH, hello. Okay, I'm just scrolling faster now. Probably gonna miss people. Mark, hi. And I missed Emma. Oh well. Adam P. Sorry, Emma. Azzy. Hello, Azzy. How are you doing? We've missed you. I've missed you. Okay, Jonathan London, hi. Should be able to automate the roll call now. Yeah, I can automate that's a really good idea. I should do that. Maybe not. This is a bit more personal. Mega the Lucas, hello. You've ordered Neo 4? Awesome. Have fun. Hello, Compressor. Good morning. Carsten, hi. Sam, you can build a laser logic analyzer for a real online laser asteroid version. I want to do asteroids. I definitely want to get asteroids going. I've got no controller though. I've got no IO left for a controller. Okay, I think I've got everyone. Everyone I saw. Trying to sort your sleeps out. Yeah, tell me about it. We've got a new mattress. Bad so far. James, hello. Hello, James. Do Space War. Nah, Space War's a bit slow, boring. Asteroids, fun. Vectrex emulator. Okay, I need to fix some of these characters. So let's do that. So, wow, someone is putting in. So, Mr. England, too many moves. You've only got 200 commands. And that's it, right? So, if you look here, when it processed your last thing, pattern updated, number of draws in pattern, 200. Because look at all these. No more commands for move. No more commands for rotate. You're making too big a pictures. You've only got 200 commands. You think YouTube Turtle is broken? Okay. What is that? Turtle? That's not the turtle commands. Yeah, see? Yeah. You're about to try what, Rhoda? God, this is just too much, too fast. I missed the Discord and unexpected streams in between both Tuesdays, so I don't know how to make a shape myself with the command line. So if you type in help... Oh, right, I missed one. Have a look, folks. I forgot to tell you this one. This one's important. If you go commands. There's a list of logo commands for the logo, and then a list of, we went too fast, a list of turtle commands, R90, rotate 90, M300, L4, and then a pipe, loops between them, C3 changes the color. And there's more stuff, but I've not added them yet. Adam says, the laser is not showing my last pick or your name. Where did you post them? Where's Adam? What did you post? I can't see one in YouTube. Where was your one in YouTube? Hey, Steve. Yeah, Oh, hello, SDG. I missed you in the list. Yeah, the logo looks much better on black. I was going to paint my wall, but I would have had to paint the whole wall. It was too hard to get everything off. So I chose this instead, and I'm really happy with this because it's temporary. I can't see where you posted anything, Adam. Oh, you said on YouTube. You said YouTube was broken. No, I can see it here. It's just not showing it. So it's just cycling between 3. Why is it only cycling between 3? Right, so it must be not adding them all properly. Said it was broken. I'm not in top chat. I'm in live chat on my thing. The one that's inside embedded in OBS is top chat because you can't change it. But like if I show you this, here's mine. Mine's live chat. But it doesn't show all, like it's got, there's been so many messages, they disappear after a while. That's all. What is the draw backwards command? Horizontal. There isn't a draw backwards command. What do you mean? So what have we got there? We've got, hang on. So we've got Mr. England, AJ, Rob. Okay, for some reason it's not adding more. So I saw Peter's come in right now. Received command. But it's not processing them. Okay, I need to find out what's going on. Wow, this is... Received command. Whew. Turtle message. Okay. Process. Command string. Received command. Okay, so why is it not... So should grab the name. Serial.print F. Oh, it's not even on screen. So everyone's trying to break it. Print F. Got name. Okay, if it's a loop, otherwise you're going to process the command, pass the command. And pass the command. Serial.print F parsing command S. Okay, I'm just going to recompile and build. I need to find out what's going on because some of them are processing, some of them aren't. Hey, to keep bombarding, they're not going to work. I'm recompiling, but yeah, feel free to keep sending turtles that aren't working because it's going to keep not working. What sounds do Galvos make from the turtle command so we can make Ship Star Wars Imperial March? Yeah, that would be annoying much. Okay, I need to clear my output. Let's see what's going on. Can everyone not bombard it? Can everyone just wait and not bombard it, please? Okay. Please. Peter, can you do yours again, Peter? I want to see if it captures it. Okay, it's pausing and then it's stopping. L90. Right. It's okay because you're not. It's the wrong syntax, Peter. It's failing because it's the wrong syntax. If you're going to do a loop, firstly, why are you doing 90 loops with a rotation of 90? Anyway, L is for the how many times you're going to loop. It's not left and right. I think you've got the syntax wrong. That's why it's not working. L is for loop, and you need to do an L. L4 for loop 4 times. Yeah, no, there's no left and right. It's R -90, R 90. R for rotate. Just like the commands say. Laser spam. Okay, what was yours, Mike? Why didn't yours go in? L7, L8, L7. Okay. Don't put your colors inside the loop. Put them outside the loop. Otherwise, it counts as a command. Mike, so where you got L8, C1, don't do that. Do C1, then do L8, M44, R45. Does that make sense? Put the colors outside. Okay, but Mike's is working. That's really cool, Mike. You guys should make them bigger so we can see more. Well, that won't be a square, Mako. That would be... So I could file CVE now, I guess. What? File? I don't know what that means. It won't be a square if you're moving 400, 200, 400, 200. It'll be a rectangle. But yes, it'd be a rectangle. Okay, so it was failing because the syntax was wrong. Okay, that's cool. Rob just added one. Whoa, AJ, that's nice. So you do bigger ones like AJ. So for those, okay, here's a, okay, AJ, where's that link? I need the link for your thing again. Where did you, oh, yum. Mark, you've done it again. Damn you, Mark. Mark's posting yum food on my Discord server when I'm hungry. In the morning. Not fair. Okay, Peter. Did Peter's come through? Thank you very much, Mike. Did Peter? I want to make sure Peter's came through. Is someone's drawing a car? Mike. Rob. Is there Peter's? AJ. Mako did a rectangle, little rectangle. I still can't fix the red dot. Okay, yours hasn't come through, Peter. What have you done again? Turtle, M, and R20. You really need to use the... Okay, M20 is no good. Moving 20 is tiny. It's like a millimeter on the board. You need to really use the looping, Peter. Okay, so here's the thing. This is what I want to show you. Open in a new window. So AJ made, look at this. AJ made a turtle simulator where you can put your commands in and it'll show you what it's going to look like. So if I put Peter, I put yours in here now. How do you turn the animation off? That's okay, because I can't do animation. So Peter, that's yours. So you haven't set any color. You need to set the color. C1, for instance. There you go. That's what your picture is doing. Right, well, so he's got this. Check this out. If I get rid of this, look at this. If I click, look at this. Except it doesn't set the color at the start. C2. Look. If I just click, look, it's giving me the commands. And I can grab this now and I can go turtle. And I just did a turtle of that picture. So AJ's made this really cool app, but it's got some functionality that I haven't got in here yet. Functionality I mentioned, but I haven't put them in yet. The link was above. Mike posted the link. I'll post it again. Here it is. Mike posted it above though. So put your stuff in here first and get it right, because you're So he's got a... Okay, I need to go back. This is nuts. My head's going to explode. It's a website. This is a website. It's JavaScript, and it's pretty awesome. Okay, I need to fix the B. I want to fix the B, and I want to fix the J. Oh, my head is killing me. So Mako, this is what the fonts look like. And it's a real pain in the backside. So I'm going to do a B. It's going to start. It's going to start at 0. And then it's going to go to, it's going to go, going to go up. Okay, it goes up, and then it's going to go to the right. And then it's going to go down, what was the halfway mark again? I think it's 20B. It's going to go down half, but it's going to go halfway this way, which is going to be that. And then it's going to go back out to 0. And then it's going to go to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moves instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's a nice reduction, I hope, if I got my maths right. Okay, I'm going to have to recompile, but I want to do the J as well. J for Johnny! Because the J has also got quite a few moves, and I want to reduce those as well. Michael's picture's bigger. Jerkers on the board! Woo! Okay, oh, who did that? Who was that? I want to know who did that one. Peter. Oh, that hurts my ears. Okay, the J. The J. We're going to do the J. It's going to start at... right, it's going to start at 81 all over here. At the top, and then it's going to go down to down to the bottom, and then it's going to go to 0, 0, 0 at the bottom, and then it's going to go up to here, halfway. And that should be the J, I hope. Okay, I hope everyone saved their pictures. So you seem very energetic, like you've been working on this non-stop without sleep. No, I've not had sleep, but that's because we've got a new mattress. Very long story. But I've been putting this and Reflow Master Pro, but I've been putting a lot of effort into this. Like, I've really spent a lot of time working on this, and it's fun. It's like really fun. Yeah, I've been having a ball. Oh, Chris is here. Hey, Chris. Okay, I'm about to recompile. You're all going to lose your pictures. Sorry. But it should make the drawing of names faster. So I'm compiling. It's going to stomp the Tiny Pico. Sorry. And clear the buffers. Oh, wow. Might as well go big while we wait. No, it's connecting. Okay, it's stomping. So that red dot that appears in every picture, I can't solve it. It's doing my head in. I can't solve it. Why is that off the bottom here? Okay. Good to see you, RB. Generally happy to see you. Happy. Cheers. Cheers, Aaron. It's very exciting stuff happening at the moment. I've got my S3 production boards are on the way. I'll have them in 4 days. I've got PCBs for clients coming that I'll be here tomorrow. I've got to make those, like production. Oh, Mark, that's nice. Mark's got 2 circles. You should change the colors, make the inner one different color. Yeah, my Reflow Master Pro is done for the first version. Hey, Photochromax, I'm going to ship out early versions to testers. And this laser stuff's been a lot of fun. Like, really a lot of fun. So I can't detect super chats right now because of the changes I've made. I'm not using the API anymore. I'm using just a YouTube scraper. So I may or may not be able to detect super chats. I don't know. The DAC, there are no DACs on the S3 chip, Chris. They removed the DACs. So if you want a DAC on the S3, you need to use an external DAC, whether it's an amplifier like an I2S one or whether it's just an actual DAC, up to you. ADCs are exactly the same as the previous ESP32s. 12 bits are ADCs. You guys really want to kill my laser, don't you? Oh, the J works. Was that supposed to be a... Oh, the B didn't work. Oh, well, I wrecked the B, it looks like. I should fix that. Oh, the scraper I'm using is like 10 times faster than the API. And there's no API keys, there's no limits, there's no timeouts. You guys are just... Oh, anyway, I need to fix... So, what was... Yeah, the B doesn't work. Thanks. BBB testing. I definitely broke something. Let me look at the B. Hang on. B. So, it starts at the bottom, goes up, over, and then should come... Oh, right. 0x00. Oh, hello, Fred, darling. Okay, I'm recompiling. Can we stop doing those pictures, Peter? They're really annoying. Alright, they're not. You can do them if you want. If you want to do them. Make something creative. Draw a picture. Not just lines. No, you can do what you want to do. $100 the first person can draw a line, the shape of an logo around the actual logo. I don't think you'll be able to. Trying to figure out. I mean, height and width. It's 4,095 by 4,095. But it doesn't really work that way because you're not going to specific points. Although I've got code to do that, but it's not out there yet. Tabletronics gives up. What are you giving up for? What happened? Oh, Mike. Mike did a box. Hello, Fred Flintstone. Oh, the body. Okay, B almost worked. B. Okay. Almost worked. I know what it is. Okay, recompiling. What are you drawing, Jerko? It's only letters, Ian. You can't do, there's no ASCII, or there's no extended characters. Because I have to manually make every one of them. It's recompiling, folks, just letting you know. I think I've finally fixed the B. Copy, paste, fail. Okay. My stuff won't draw. Have you put it into the simulator? Which stuff? I haven't seen you post one. Where have you posted one? And I'll tell you what's wrong with it. You're doing it in Discord, or you're doing it in... I can't see it in YouTube. Where are you posting? Tabletronics? Yeah, that doesn't work in Discord. That doesn't work in YouTube. That's for Discord. Is that what you're doing? But are you doing it in Discord? C0 is turn off. Yeah, you know that? So you're rotating, you're moving, you're rotating before you're drawing anything. Are you doing it in Visual Synth? Right, but there's no :turtle in Visual Synth. You do !turtle. Like you do in YouTube. So here's visual thing. So if I grab yours, you're doing it in Discord, okay, but if I go to Visual Synth, and I do turtle that's a box. Yeah, that works. So what's wrong? Isn't that what you're trying to do? I know you're in Discord, but I'm just saying, but that's your picture, and that's drawing a box. So if I do that in Discord, if I just come in here and go, Turtle says okay, and I should have a box come up. Oh, there you go, Tabletronics. Yours is on the screen. That worked. Except now I'm going to have it as well. Box, I think. Tabletro. The B's not fantastic, but it works. The turtle is optional. The turtle is optional in that. Okay. Where are you going, Azzy? What? Is Aussie going? Azzy going? What? Or someone else going? Okay, let's get back to the large one. No coffee break. Oh, you're reading the Discord. Right, okay. Okay, so let's see if Tabletronics one's updated. You have to be a nut to do it. What? Well, that did Sly for the face. That's interesting. So where's... Wow, this is full on. I can't keep track of them all. No more moves. Who are all the no more moves? Peter S. You've only got... Peter, there's a limit to how many commands you can issue. You're issuing... Most of yours are being chopped off. Hey, Jessica. Everyone's keeping well. Everyone's trying to destroy my laser. 2 sugars. No sugar. Oh, Rhoda. Nice. I'm going to have to increase the number of commands, aren't I? Johnny B. Hello, sweetie. Can you log all of the turtle commands and replay them back later to make a list of your favorites? I probably could. I could use the SD card. So one of the things I haven't even done yet is got the sound working on that. I've got my i2s Audio Shield plugged in, but I've not even had a chance to play with it yet. You want 1,000 commands, do you? That B looks terrible. I think I need to fix the B. More commands. We need more commands. Turtle. How many commands? Max draw calls, max moves. Let's go moves to 300. The problem is the more moves, the slower it's going to draw. Hey Tony, looking on LCSC yesterday and the PKD was listed as discontinued. Really? I hope not. Number draw calls. Let's make it 300. What was that? Oh, that's your logo, Tabletronics. That's cool. Okay, I'm recompiling. You want Arduino IDE support for what? My laser. That's really cool, Tabletronics. Oh, my poor laser. It looks much better in real life. Okay, I'm recompiling. I'm increasing the moves, the commands to process to 300. Yeah, 65 concurrent viewers, 13 likes. Terrible, folks. Anyway, that's fine. Whatever. Okay, it's recompiling. We want variables. Oh, I know. So the features I haven't added yet, one of them was that AJ did, which is pretty cool, is C+. I've got them, I haven't enabled them. Because I haven't tested them yet. But C+ will just cycle the next color. Instead of picking the number, you can just go C+, whatever, C+, whatever, and it'll go to the next color, including 0. Gotta be careful. The other one is, Abraham Patrick, yep, see you later, you're gone. Boom. Put user in timeout. Don't do it. Don't spam. Thank you. Fred F. I only have 12-year-old. There's a limit, 40 characters. Oh, Peter. Jeez, Shizen. Wow. Oh, Mako's doing his name upside down. Cool. There's only 40 characters for the laser message. I'm trying to keep them short. See, that's the problem. The more commands I let you draw, the slower it draws, the more flickering. It doesn't flicker anywhere near as bad for me, but on the camera, it flickers heaps more. And is that a fish? Mark's done a fish. What if I have to count? What if I have to count? No, you don't have to count. It'll just get truncated. The more characters, the slower it moves, and the longer it's on the screen for. So, yeah. So I'm limited to 40. I think that's reasonable. So how's that working? Is that better? Right, the other command I've got is H for home. That'll put you back at the 00 mark. So it doesn't matter where you are, hit home, will put you back in the center so you can start again. The other thing that I'm working on is T for teleport, but I have to get it to parse. Did you see that? It's doing emojis now, which it didn't do before. Look, Mum, I'm on Sion's wall. Wait, why did that not do the apostrophe? It did a big space instead. I'll have to fix that. Is it just cycling 3 people again? Right. So, there's another bug. Okay. Current index, pattern. Lots of bugs. I know, I'm sorry. Number of patterns. In pattern, number in pattern. Number of draws in pattern. 30. I'm just looking at some code. I need to see what's going on with the... Max users, 30. I should only be doing that for an add, not an update. Sorry, I'm looking at code. I'm still... Wait, it's doing more. How many are there? How many is it cycling through now? Update pattern, where's ink? Ink pattern. Wow, this is getting really full on. %D. Numpats. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Okay, I'm recompiling. I haven't fixed it, but I'm putting some more logging in. What have I missed in chat? Have I missed anything in chat? Orientation is whack with the visualizer. It is. I mentioned that to AJ the other day. Things are rotated. I'm not sure if he fixed the color either. He did have red and blue the wrong way around. Okay, restarting. Clear output. Oh, I should have got rid of those extra logs. Damn it. Parsing command. I might quickly recompile. Sorry, I'm quickly recompiling. It's getting rid of some logs because it's spamming my output, which slows it down considerably. There's no @ it'll display a space instead. So my default orientation is up. If you just do a move, it goes up. I don't know what it is in the visualizer. Crunchy Bits. It's got a picture of, oh, a turtle with a sword. Turtle with a sword. Yay. Okay. Okay, we have 1. We have index is 1 of 2. Index is 2 of 4. Index, current pattern is index 0 of 1. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Current pattern is index 0 of 1. Why did it go to 0 of 1 again? Okay. Numpats. Where's clear? Do you guys want to see code? No one's asking me to see code. This is not running on a Pi Pico. This is all running on a tiny Pico. Tiny Pico. ink pattern. Index 0 of 1 is better than 0 of 0. Sure, but for some reason the number of patterns is getting reset to 0 somewhere. Whoa, what was that? I know something crazy is happening when my Galvos start making really crazy noises. So an added number of pats equals 0. Somehow that number of pats is being set back to 0, and I don't understand where that would be happening. There's no place I'm setting it to 0 except for when it gets initialized. So, hey Kevin, hey Internet Worm 2. I need to solve this because it's just stomping everyone's things and I can't work out why. So index 1 of 3, number of pats. Current index is 3 of 4, and then all of a sudden the next one that comes in, so it's cycling 4 of them now, but then the next one that comes in will stomp it back to 0 for some reason. Hey Intimate Tech. So it gets to 4 and then it won't do any more than 4. Oh, AJ Aardvark is AJ here. Is that you, AJ? I just got connected the two together. Turtle C1 1000 R90M 1000. So if I send a new one, or Mark just added one. See, number of pats equals 1, number of pats equals 2. So got name. No more commands for move. Whenever possible to move the stream announcements to another channel. The bot ones. The turtle says okay. Those ones. Is that what you mean, Dishipu? What happened here? L50. Yeah, that's a few too many loops. L50. So Mike, you did an L50 and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 commands inside. So 50 times 7, that's a few more than 300 commands. Whoa, Chris, that looks cool. I don't understand why these are going back to 0. You notice it's got 23 patterns. No, sorry, 23 draws in the pattern. Where is this going back to 0? Date pattern. Pattern updated. Build draw calls. Number of draws. Number of moves. Pattern number of draws equals number of draws. So what's wrong with that? Max users is 30. I can't work out why this is. God, this is frustrating. Wonder if it's that. Okay, I'm restarting it. Oh, error compiling. What? What? Okay. Mako's drawing does not display. Whoa, what is going on here? Max users. What's wrong with this? Max users 30. Where's your loop? You've got a pipe at the end. Why have you got a pipe at the end, Mako? Where's the loop? That's for the end of a loop. If you've got no loop, then don't put a pipe. Why is this not compiling? The pipe is just for a loop. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, you don't do. There's no. This turtle is. That's not Discord. That's for YouTube. In Discord, you do turtle. Right, that compiled. You're doing it wrong. For a change, it's not me doing it wrong. So why won't it let me do that many patterns? I guess we're just out of memory. So what's if I make it 15 users? I'm gonna have to move it all to PSRAM. That's gonna suck. Alright, that's better. Yeah, it's just out. The issue is that max users was only 30, but each pattern has a whole bunch of draw calls, 300 of them. So 30 times 300 is 9,000 draw calls. I'm just running out of memory. I need to move it to PSRAM. That's all, I think. Okay, let's see if this works. Clear output. Yeah, but the compiler doesn't say to me, oh, you don't have enough memory. It just gives me a stupid freaking error. And I need to work it out myself. Ooh, who did that? Carson's doing a rocket? Is that a rock? Or is that a turtle? Turtle with legs? Okay, so we've got 2 patterns so far cycling. Rhoda just did one, I think. Oh no, Rhoda's is in there. What? No, where's Rhoda's? Number patterns 2. Number of patterns is 3. Number of patterns is 4. Current pattern is 1 out of 5. It's gone up 1. Yay. 2 out of 5. Yeah, try yours again, Rhoda. I don't know why. It might have come in at the exactly same time as someone else's. Where are the sharks? That's funny. Won't YouTube eventually block your IP? I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I think something's wrong with you. It's not processing yours, Rhoda. For some reason. I go up to 4 of 6, so it's adding more now, which is great. Jesus. Now the scrapers just appear as normal user with an open chat window. What? What? Who? Where? It looks like it's dying on your name, Rota, for some reason. Oh no, yours just came up then. It did something. It's not a draw call issue. Just not liking your name for some reason. I don't know why. Like it's giving me question marks. Like it's giving me a weird string back for your name, so it doesn't know where to put it. Who's Ben Cos 18? Now see again, it's not. Oh, that's Iron Man. Well, it's cycling 9 of them now, so I think I fixed that bug of stomping it back to 0. It will stomp at 15 though. It'll go back to, well, maybe. Wow. I've got so much, hey Yaz, I got so much data coming in. I can't stay on top of it. I need to solve Rota's, why Rota's isn't working. What is that, Chris? What are you doing? So turtle C1, why is that not? I need to go back to one of Rhoda's ones. Yeah, you're running out of moves, Chris. So rotor C4. So sometimes yours are working, sometimes they're not. I don't understand, Rhoda. No, not doing nested loops. Hello, Secret Engineer. People can't even deal with the loops that are here right now. Like they're going way over the scope of how many commands they can issue. Putting nested loops, yeah. And I can't think of a use case for nested loops that you can't do without them. It might be easier, maybe, but well, no, I don't think it'd even be easier. You listen to the Galvos. So your last one, Rhoda. I mean, it's putting it in and it's said it updated it, but it can't. Yeah, I don't know what that. It is working. Give us nested loops and loop vars. Yeah. Maybe at some stage. I'm going to get this working reliably first. Turtle, literally awesome. That's not how it works. Don't do turtle, do laser. Yuz. Exclamation mark, laser. Literally awesome. That'll make it write it on the screen. Yeah, because you just did that instead. Your name's on the screen. Vote for nested loops. Yeah, I'm not doing nested loops. Again, you're not going to be able to make stuff with them because like I've Chris is running out of commands every single time he posts something. Imagine if you put a nested loop inside a loop. Like it won't draw. Like it'll draw the first bit, you'll run out of moves, and that's game over, right? So I didn't see yours. Hey Yaz, says Mike. Random numbers. It's not updating your logo. Thanks, Quindor. It's looking a bit grainy now, actually. I need to probably brighten this down a bit. Here we go. Oh, is that a lightning bolt? Is that a lightning bolt or a snake? I haven't seen yours come through. Do yours again, Chris. Oh my god, this is moving so fast. I can't. I'm going to turn off auto scroll. Yeah. Okay. Spirograph stuff with nested loop. Sure, but once again, most of you that are doing loops are already going beyond the amount of commands you can have. So doing nested loops is just going to compound that exponentially. And yeah, I'm not sure what the point is. For the one person that might be able to get a picture out of it, and everyone else is going to fail at trying to work it all out. So yeah. And at the end of the day, I'm limiting the number of draws because otherwise it doesn't draw fast enough and it looks like that, right? I'm trying to avoid things that flicker excessively. Home is not implemented. As I said, home is not implemented. I've got a teleport that you can go to particular coordinates, but that's not, so it's implemented, it's not active. I'm skipping parsing on it. And I want to add the C+. Maybe I can look at doing the home now. Maybe I'll do the home. Should we try the home now? See, look at Chris. This, no offense, Chris, I'm just picking you out. Chris G. Like every time he puts something in here, no more moves, no more moves, no more moves. Look, no more commands, look. So, yeah. Fixer repeats the draw list rather than duplicating it. I can't. It's a draw call list. It's a fixed list of draw calls. It can't be looped because then I can't not loop it. It's mapped out to fixed draw calls. So yeah, there's nothing to fix. It's correct. If I put it back to not using fixed draw calls, it'll be half the speed because I have to do all the maths in line, and I'll give you even half as many draw calls and your pictures will be even worse. Oops, touche turtle. What? Johnny's doing a wanky ESD logo. I missed it. I want Flickr to try passive color mixing. Well, Flickr hurts my eyes and hurts other people's eyes watching it. So, Crazy Roops, you left off the colon. Colon, turtle. You got it that time. Good. Okay, so let's implement home. Build draw calls. So I've got home here, but I don't think I'm parsing it. Yeah, I'm not parsing it. I don't think I am anyway. Home is true, number moves plus plus. Give a pause command and I can do the animation without abusing overrun. Does this bot have some intelligence to avoid over crazy statements? What do you mean by over crazy statements? I mean, it's got some intelligence already. I don't know what you mean by over crazy statements. Okay, set home. Okay. So I need to do a set home when I'm parsing. Else if message dot starts with H turtle dot set home. Now I do have some ways of optimizing the command list, but I haven't done that yet because every time I want to add more functionality, it's going to break all my optimizations. So I need to get all my over crazy like loop resulting in too many draws, as for example. No, because I don't pre-calculate it. Like, how would I do that? I'd have to pre-parse it and pre-build the list to determine if there's enough or too many before I submit it to like that's, I'd have to write a processor on the other side before it gets sent as well. Nah, that's what is home. Home is zeros, is the center. It'll be the center of where the turtle starts. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to recompile. I'm recompiling. Don't send commands. That won't happen. Ooh, 3 stars. Who did the 3 stars? Okay, it's live. So I wonder if home works. You should just be able to put just an H. And it should put you back to 0, 0. But it won't. That doesn't work, Wagon Loads. The colon is for Discord. In chat, it's exclamation mark. So, wait. Rhoda just did one. Where was Rhoda's? Oh, Chris, that's cool. You need to move it down a bit. Camel just Where's Rhoda's? Did Rhoda's not work? C+ doesn't work. There's no C+ yet here. Just because you can do it in the turtle thing. AJ's putting stuff in that I don't have yet. So AJ, you might want to not do that. Or you might want to have a version that's compatible with mine. There's no C+ right now. Is the buffer full? No? What do you mean the buffer? What buffer? Whoa, Peter S. That looks cool. So rotors doesn't seem to be going. I can't see rotors anywhere. What's wrong with rotors? Let's have a look. It's just specifically rotor all the time. What's if you post it from Discord? Hey, Cable Tie. I'm just curious what happens if you post it from Discord. Bruce, that's not going to do anything, mate. What are you doing? Oh, right. Sorry, I didn't see your loop there with the color change. Okay, sorry, Bruce. Don't worry. Ignore me. Let me see. Who was that again? Internet Worm 2. Too many loops. Too many commands. Yeah, I know you got a different name on Discord. I don't know. I just want to see if it works for you on Discord. Chris, you're going to move it down. Or you're trying to get it on the logo, are you? You're deliberately trying to get it on the logo? Okay. Right. See, that worked here. It worked from Discord. Did that home work for you? That looks like it did. Wait, do you not have home on that one? Oh, you don't have home in that one. The logo has COVID. That's really funny. You don't have to do a home at the start. It starts at 0. Whoa. Rhoda. The secret engineer, there's no C+. No C+. And you're also looping at C0, and C0 draws nothing. You should really check your stuff in the turtle sim before you post it. Oh, you've almost got it dead on the logo. Mark's doing a Death Star. You see, the secret engineer, yours is drawing nothing. Crazy Roop's got lots of circles. No, lots of hexes. Cable ties drawing, I don't know what that is. You can't fit it all in. I will say something. My laser streams like these have gotten me my worst viewership on my streams ever. So, as fun as this is, it seems that most of my stream viewers aren't interested in it. My regulars are, but yep. These I only worked that out last night. I was just going through the stats. My worst viewership ever on my streams is my logo and my laser stuff. The coding side, anyway. Some people see code and their brain shuts off. Sure. And this, yeah, anyway. And so you need to sell stuff, so design first. What? Sure. Whoa. So is home working for you as expected? So when I do a home, I'm not lifting the pen up. You have to lift the pen up yourself if you want to do that. The secret engineer, C0 is don't draw. Oh, look at that. We've got an op amp. So if you do C0, L4, and then move and rotate, it's not going to draw anything. Why are you doing a C0 before a loop? Your commands don't make any sense. Sorry. Sure, but no, even during my live streams, like my number of concurrent viewers right now is like 59, where I usually regularly get 90 to 120. So you're using it as a delay. But you're setting the color, but then when you're doing a loop of a move and rotate, you're setting the color at the end of the loop, not the start, so you miss the first movement. I don't understand. Yeah, okay, anyway, whatever. That's cool. Up to you. Hey, Alan. Click like. Thanks, Johnny. An internet worm, you're consistently running out of commands. Consistently. These are much more complicated than the first. Yeah, the people, you can do some more stuff with it. Like, you can do pretty cool stuff with it already. I'm not sure why. Like, I think adding nested loops is just going to overcomplicate things more. Okay, I should add the plus, the C plus. If message equals plus set color 10 else. Okay, I'm adding the C plus now. I think, I hope. Set color if set col is greater than -10. Okay, now build draw calls. Okay. Okay, so when I'm drawing turtle else if the op amp's looking cool. Who is just that? Who is that? Internet worm, reduce your loops, please, or it's killing you, spamming thing. Okay, you can do some basic maths on the amount of commands you've got, times it by 40. Yeah, it's like, look, it's just killing my logs and killing everything for everyone. Look at them all. They're all you. No more commands. Please drop your loops or I'll block you. Because it's wrecking it for everyone. It halts the system. It makes things flicker. Equals -10. What is a command limit via? There's no command limit via anything. It's not a Discord thing or a YouTube thing. There are 300 commands in total. So Internet Worm 2's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 times 40. Okay? C plus isn't working yet, Mark. I'm working on that right now. Yeah, 1120 out of 300 commands. That means it's spamming the difference. That's okay. Home command is just H. Okay, I'm recompiling. You don't have to put an H at the start, folks. It starts at home. It starts at 0. You're wasting a command by sticking an H at the start. Buy Tiny Pico now. I'm recompiling. I need to also add the help things, H, and to the commands. C+ may work now. It may not. I don't know. Untested, obviously. Zero zero is the center. The center. Where that red dot is, or the bottom of that triangle. That's really cool. Chris, that was really cool. That's I understand what you want it for, but you did it without it. You did it without. Yay. Slightly smelly. Johnny. So is C+ working? Has anyone tried it? It's trails with an S. Trails. Can't get your thing by Discord. Let's have a loop for. Let me have a look. Can't I? Oh. I can see it in Discord being sent. Maybe it's too big. Maybe the message is too big. Try doing it in YouTube. There's obviously a limit to the length. I don't know what the length is. Yeah, Aaron's is also. It looks like Aaron's got knocked back from Discord as well. Too big. Make it smaller. Who was that? I think that was Chris. Right. Yeah. Out of commands. I don't know what the maximum message length is in Discord, but that's obviously too long. Oh, well. Or maybe it's too long to go to MQTT. I don't know. No, half a message via YouTube would be that maybe too many commands. I don't know. Let me trying to get back to it. Sorry, I'm trying to debug people's things. Okay. I mean, can any of that be brought down to smaller commands, like in a loop at all? Not really, I guess. So that should only be like 40 commands, right? Oh, but it says, yes, 372 characters, and you've only got 200 characters in YouTube. And I'm pretty sure that there's going to be a limit, maybe, to how many. Like, it could be an MQTT thing. Thanks, Alan. Yeah, maybe the, I can see it's trying to send it to MQTT, but maybe there's a limit. I can't see any errors, but oh, and Nox is drawing a house. How cool. C plus is not working. The last octagon you sent. Okay. Okay, hang on. Okay, whoa. Hey, Mike, that's cool. Okay, so if set color equals that. Change color. True. Oh, what was that? Who did that? Okay, well, that should be working. And in set color, I wonder if I've set that. No, it's an inch. It's fine. Pass. Command. So if it starts with a C, get rid of it. Who's going? Who's going? I'll catch you later, Fred. Yeah, this should be working. Okay, I'm recompiling, folks. Recompiling. Casey Roops, what are you drawing? That's very cool. Okay, I'm saying when I switched back to solid colors, it was working. Okay. This won't necessarily fix anything, but this should give me more logs. Crazy Roots has no artistic. Okay, set color plus is -10. Except someone just spammed a massive one with a C+ in it, which just, yeah, very hard to test, folks, when I'm... Anyway, okay. So it added set color is that. It's definitely doing it as a -10. Okay, so where's my draw? If the laser is less than negative, the color is less than -1. Else, if it's greater than 0, do that. Who's going? Which Peter's going? Oh, catch you later, Peter. You're probably already gone. Okay, I'm recompiling. Just, I need to get rid of some logs. Okay, I'm recompiling. Oh, someone's drawing my unexpected to make a logo. Who is that? No, you can't do nested loops. No nested loops. No, 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 no. I know C+ isn't working properly. I'm trying to fix it. It needs arc support. It needs circle support, so you can just draw a circle somewhere. That'd be cool. Yep, all sorts of things. So Christopher's doing a mirror of my logo. No, C+ still isn't working. Serial.print line. Who's that? Get rid of those. Laser cycle is true. Okay, recompiling. Sorry, I need to fix this C+. Can you guys, don't use C+ until I tell you it's working, because you're just going to not draw anything. You're just going to break it. I think I need another coffee. Need some music is what I need. What did Mike C do? Oh, Rhoda, yours is coming up now. Okay, still not. Oh man, so it's greater than just so I'm still looking at this code. I'm doing it like, yeah, add pattern, build draw calls. Draw calls, int call. Right, they're not unsigned, so what is the problem? This doesn't work either, eh? C0. I don't know what that is. Well, that won't work because your pipe doesn't have there's no space on your last pipe. Mako? So you got a syntax error. You can add two loops. You can add as many loops as you want after each other, not nested. But your R36 and the pipe at the end, the pipe, there's got to be a space. See, if I would have kept the YouTube API in place, I could have sent messages back, which means I could have posted a syntax error message for Mako saying there's a parsing error, right? But by removing the API, I can't do stuff like that now. The color is less than -2. %D with C+. So I'm just adding more logs. I don't know where this issue is, so I'm looking still. At some place it's being clamped. D. Okay, recompiling. You could have kept the YouTube API just for actually sending messages and using scraping otherwise. Reduced API use. Right, but the system that parses it and processes it. Yeah, yeah. Time out. Whoa. Somebody just killed my tiny Pico. Yeah, there's obviously a limit on Discord on how big the thing is. Yeah, I don't know what it is, what the limit is. It's probably breaking the parsing. Wow, I need to restart my tiny Pico. Maybe you've all killed it? Have you all killed my tiny Pico? Maybe. No, it's not hot. It's not letting me... Wow. Can't flash it. Hey, Monster Mark. It's not letting me flash it. This is bizarre. We're starting to flash and dying. Just got back from your stabbing. Oh, right. That's stabbing. Hey, Beata. Chip is ESP32, Pico D4, revision 1, fatal error. Timed out, waiting for packet hitting. No, I don't think it's an unplug USB thing. It'll be probably I need to restart the Arduino IDE. Oh, actually, you know what it could be? I think it's... Let me try it with the chat, with the logs closed, because there's so many freaking logs. Okay, yeah, I closed the output window and it worked. There was just the serial output, and that log thing was obviously spammed the heck out of it. Okay, so this is not fixing C++, so please don't use it. I'm just logging. I need to see where the issue is, so please don't use C++. Right, so it's finding them. They're there. It's just not doing it when it's going. C equals... So that's when it's... Oh, C on, you idiot. I got it. I got it. I have found a problem. Let's get rid of that log. Let's get rid of... Oh, who was that? Internet worm. Stop posting that. I'm going to block you. Next time you post that, I'm going to block you. I'll time you out on YouTube. Please stop doing that. That's 1,200 calls, and you've got 300, and you're killing my logs, and you're killing my tiny Pico, and you're killing it for everyone. So please stop. Last warning. Very, very last warning. Okay. I'm recompiling. This should fix C+. You got 300 commands you can process. That is 40 times whatever it is. That's 1100 and something. Okay, compiling, building. Let me just check C+. As soon as it comes back. No, we don't have a C-. Let's see if I can even get C+ working, okay? Okay, C+ works. You can use C+ now. So you want a C-. Really? No, we don't have a C++. I'm not doing a C- today. That's enough. Just getting that C+ working. Whoa, rotor. That was cool, Mark. Yay. You're all doing nice. Look at that. That was cool. Who was that one? Who did that one with the little stars? Oh, look at that. Almost a logo. Hey, you... Christopher, are you running out of commands? Who was that? Chris G again. Well, the command won't appear if I put more in. Okay, right. So it's a limit on the size now. Oh, God. Okay. Well, I didn't think you were all going to be doing stuff like this. It's broken. Your fish should not be multicolored. Where's your fish? Right. Is everything multicolored now? Everything's going multicolored. Okay, hold on. Damn it. Oh, I know why. Okay, yep, hang on. Okay, recompiling. I know what it is. Yep. No, right now colors are broken. Just hold on. There's no C9. It does go back to, it goes back to C1 after C0 after C7. 7 is the last color. There are 7 colors. Okay. Try now. Colors should be fixed, hopefully. Okay. Yep, colors are fixed. You got it, Cable Tie. What are you drawing though, Cable Tie? You trying to do your logo, your thing? I'm doing neither, Chris, for the parsing. So does anyone want to do... Mike, put yours back on again. Okay, it's working because it's doing colours. He's drawing a cable tie. Oh, right, I got it. That's really funny. Is Chris doing an axe? Is that an axe? Oh. So my next step with this is to, right now it can only parse a single int after a command. I need to be able to do int comma int, right? Like an x and a y. So I can implement my teleport. So I want to be able to do a t, x comma y, and you can move to a specific place rather than having to rotate and then move with the pen up. You can just teleport. Well, there you go, Mike. That worked. And then some way of doing some form of animation would be really cool, is what I'd like to do. Yeah, there's something wrong with the spacing of the letters again. I broke that yesterday. Like the eye's just not working. Actually, it looks like just the eye's not working at all. As in, it's not shifting. It's there. It's there, but it's not shifting over. It is there next to the C, but it's not shifting the C over. So let me just, that's the next thing to fix. Great. Drawing. Okay. Draw trade message, draw scale, draw text. Let's say if chart equals, whoops. equals I, x plus equals 6. That'll do. Oh, what did Mike do? What's Mike done now? I want to recompile, but I want to wait. I want to see Mike's. Oh, is that what it is? No? Okay, I'm just recompiling. This should hopefully fix the I, but only on the turtle names. If it compiles, okay, just recompiling. Hopefully this will fix the I. It's happening on everyone's name. You did it too quick, I think, Mark. Done Richard Balls yet? Ask you for a friend. Implement an analog and digital clock at the same time. An analog? What do you mean an analog digital clock at the same time? No. Chris. No. Did I go the wrong direction? Did I? Well, I could have it on all the time. Why is this not moving? Recompiling. Yeah, it wouldn't be fast enough, Photochromax. The draw would not be quick enough to do a clock, digital clock, and an analog clock. But possible, sure. If someone wants to do it. Where to see the commands for turtle? In Discord, type in commands. You can't see them in YouTube. Does that still not fix the eye? Okay, I'm gonna have to deal with it another time. I'll fix the eye later. I don't want to keep recompiling. Laser, how do that? There's no laser command in there in Discord, Alan. So you go commands. Oh. Or help. Yep. Discord uses colon. And there's no help in YouTube. Oh, who was that? Who did that one? Crazy Roof's got the flag. That's cool. I need to update the commands though, don't I? So I need to add to the commands. What? Gonna go then /n/t/d plus okay, and then there's also h /n/t h move to 0, 0 /st. Okay. /n/t. Okay, I'm just restarting the Discord bot. Correct. I already mentioned that to AJ. He's got red and blue the wrong way around. Red is 1 for me. RGB. He's got those the wrong way around. So Discord, is that now working? Command, whoops. Yep, H move to 0, 0 and plus cycle next color. Okay, good, that works. Sorry, I'm doing some support on Discord. Sorry, folks. Okay, what did I miss? Okay, stream's been going for over 2.5 hours. Numbers of concurrent views dropping. Likes are still low. Come on, folks. What could you use to write something? What do you mean, Jessica? Sorry? What code would you use to write something? Sorry, what's this in reference to? I don't know what. Can you be more specific? Please? Yeah, are you talking about to write something as in to write something on the laser? Is that what you're saying? Or are you talking about writing code somewhere? If you want to display something on the laser, from here, you just type in !mark laser, and then whatever you want to do. It makes it all capitals. There you go. Hello, Jessica. If that's what you meant. But obviously other people got there first. Oh, so close with the logo. Oh, we got a clock. Rhoda did a clock. Yay, is that the correct time? Correct time for GMT +1. Oh, look at that! Photochromax! Well done! So you guys are rocking it. You don't need nested loops. You don't need less nested loops. I've got another command I'm going to add. I'm going to add another command. It's going to take a while. Any commands is getting slower and slower and slower. But I've got a good command. You'll like this one, I think. You will, but it's going to take a little while to do, I think. Okay. See you, Crazy Roops. That's the time. Okay. Should I tell you what I'm doing? Nah, I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing. You'll like this one, Chris. Okay. There's that, and then that'll be Jessica likes the Borg from Star Trek. Are you a Borg? Are you a Borg sympathizer? Sorry. That one there, and so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now build draw calls. Okay, and yep. Pause. Yep. Good. And now to process it. Process. No. Pass commands. Pause that. Then do that, and that'll be set that. Okay, and now draw turtle. Where's draw turtle? Okay, let's see if this works. I'm recompiling. Everyone's going to sleep. I've added a new command. New command. Oh. Oh. Oh, here we go. More errors. But no idea what it is. Gosh. Okay. I ran out of memory again. Excellent. Okay, recompiling. This is probably going to backfire, this command. Okay, how do I test this? How do I test this? Thinking. I want to make sure it works first. Otherwise, you're going to... Thanks, Jessica. You only got 40 characters, though. Okay, how am I going to do this? Four. 10 C plus 100 4. Oh, that clock looks cool. Right, that clock looks really cool. That's interesting. That doesn't seem to be working. didn't that work? Okay, let's get rid of this clamp. Recompiling. Sorry, folks. Laser over 600 orders first week. No, I think there's only like 5 people that want one at the moment. So I'm recompiling. I'm not sure how to make the commands smaller, like without making them less intuitive. Okay, let's see if this works. Why is it not working? Make all moves times 10. Nobody uses moves smaller than 10. Yeah, but that's going to be hard for people to work out, though. And that's going to save, what, 2 characters, 4 characters? Like, yeah. Like, there needs to be a way of compressing it into a, like a command that's like, you know, something, comma, something, comma, something, comma, something, without the M and the R and the C, maybe. I don't know. So I'm just adding some logs. I'm adding a pause command. So you can pause microseconds. But it doesn't seem to be working. Now to make an auto code adapter for the time. What? Print F. Okay, recompiling. Yeah, you got to keep changing it to make it tick. So if we had variables, that would help. No, well, no, it won't. See, the problem with variables, here's the thing. You can't do rotations with variables because I'm pre-creating the draw call list. So all the rotations are pre-calculated, which is why I can allow you to draw so much stuff like this. So interesting. Yeah, I don't think this is useful, what I'm adding right now. It's not gonna do what I was hoping it was gonna do. I was adding the ability that you could parse it a pause with a like in microseconds. So you could do a P 100 and it'll pause 100 microseconds in your loop. But it actually isn't doing what I thought it would do. It's still, yeah. Type in X10, it will multiply all moves by 10. So I can save on characters. But what are you going to save? How much are you going to save? 6 characters? 7 characters? 8 characters? Is that going to help you? Yeah, I need to get rid of some of these logs. X would be useful in a loop. X should be absolute move. Right, but if I do X10, Y10, that's 2 more commands, right? I've saved 90 characters. How would you have saved 90 characters? No, you wouldn't have. On what command would you save 90 characters? That's 90 zeros you would have saved. You don't have 90 commands. Where would you have saved 90 characters? Well, it wasn't a lot. You'd save 1 character per move command. How many move commands have you got? Where's your picture? If you had 10 move commands, you'd save 10 characters. Minus the 3 characters from the X10, you'd be 7. You'd save 7 characters, which would give you the option to add what? 2 more commands. That's it. That's all you'd get is 2 more commands. Like, that seems like not worth it. Right, Chris needs 10 more characters. This wouldn't give you 10 more characters. There's got to be a better way of reducing it. Is it stuck in a loop with 3 graphs? I'm not sure, but I need to I'm about to recompile in a minute anyway. I need to get rid of this. Okay, I'm just recompiling. Spaces are not optional. Spaces are 100% have to be there. I have no way of parsing it otherwise. I need to split it on something. Everything's arbitrary length. 40 M40N. What does N do? How about some built-in commands? Well, right, so like I could add a circle command, right? You're still going to be limited on draw calls, right? Or I can add a box. How about B for box? I could split on a comma, but a comma is like a space. How's that going to help me? I'm going to take away the space and put a comma, and it's still exactly the same number of characters. That would draw a spiral square. What is N? How would that draw a spiral square? What is N? What is N? That's what I'm asking you. Like, what would N be? If it saw N is a loop counter. I don't understand. So you want to replace however many times it's going with N. Is N a multiplier? Are you plussing it? Is it 40? And then I can't parse the 40 then. Right? But anyway, because you can't have M sometimes with an extra letter and sometimes without. Spaces are optional. You can add them in pre-processing if you need them. Yeah, no, spaces are, sorry, I'm not doing that. Firstly, it makes it impossible to read what you're writing. And secondly, I've got other things I want to do. And so I won't always have a situation where I can stick space around things that aren't 0 to 9. So that's just digging myself into a hole. I can't split on numbers versus letters because, again, that boxes me into not being able to add anything else I want to do. Right? So, no, I'm not removing the spaces. Thanks, not happening. Right? We need other ways of doing things, not the spaces. Removing spaces digs me into a terrible hole. It seems it really works without spaces. How does it work without spaces? What? Yeah, but that becomes a parsing problem. Once again, I'm going for simplicity, right? Like at the end of the day, I'm parsing everything with a looking for a letter. Like, how would I know that that 4 is a loop? How do I know? I don't know. I can't just... So I have to look at a 4 and then the next character, is it a bracket? Right? Like I'm splitting on spaces, yet it would split the middle of that loop. Right? I appreciate you all trying to find different ways of syntax, but like I'm after absolute simple, easy to make and extend, and that's what I've got right now. And changing anything other than a letter, like a command and a value, is completely, forget it, right? So, I mean, look what you guys can create already, and now there's this whole, you know, oh, it's not enough, it's not enough. Like, yeah, I'm not implementing a language. Thanks, Mark. I'm not implementing, yeah. Like, look at this, like you got a clock on the screen. Like, really? Did anyone think they'll be drawing a clock when I started this thing? Is that not insane? Or a whole bunch of whatever they are, asteroids. Oh my god, that's asteroids. Who did that? Who did asteroids? Add a command to reset the rotation to default up. Well, I could make that as part of the home. Right, and it's a tiny bit more optimization. So how do we optimize? Like, what is it that you're drawing that I could help you optimize that isn't by completely destroying the syntax of how things work, right? You're going to play Tempest on the wall. Yeah, I think that's a little out of scope. The Secret Engineer, that's really cool. Very cool. Asteroids on the wall. Ah, there's your name there, right? That's very cool. Right, or we don't compress the text and we don't mess around with that, and because I'm going to be adding more commands, which means anything you save is going to get lost anyway. How about, again, we optimize the shapes so you don't have to write so many commands to draw a box or to draw a circle? Yeah? How about 6 of your commands can be turned into 1 command? Will that save you some characters? I think it will. Like, isn't that a better idea? No, don't reset the home, it will mess up loops. Yeah, that's why I didn't do it to start with. Okay, but that's another command. Okay, so what do you want to do? So what are we going to do for reset? What's reset rotation going to be? Like, I could make home with a number. Home 0 does it without, and home 1 does it. Right, but 0 for rotation, but doesn't 0 home. Right, we could do RZ, sure, okay. Circle would be handy. Right, it'll save a lot of commands. So would a box. It would save not just the move and rotate, but the loop. So you'd go L4 space R M something, one, let's say 100 or 1,000, space R9T space pipe. Okay, so that's 14 characters that I can turn into B for box, yeah? B 1000. B1000 will draw a box in any direction you're facing. 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. Like, really? Yeah, I could do R0. Right, R0 actually makes sense for rotation. Reset. Okay. Like, don't you think me doing box That sets what? Sorry, Mark, what was that? I don't understand. There's no variables. Forget variables. I don't understand. What is variable going to do? Equals 1. And I don't... So whenever you type v1, all those commands happen. Yeah, that's, again, crazy. Rect, arc, circle. Yeah, no, again, once again, you're looking for the wrong optimizations. What is it you're trying to draw? You're not telling me what you're trying to draw. I can't help you optimize it. I can't think. You're trying to think of these ways to optimize what you want to do, which suits only you. Well, this is clearly not turtle language anymore. Help me help you optimize your picture rather than telling me what you need, which only suits you, which is a shit ton of coding that won't necessarily optimize things. Instead of B for box or P for polygon, what? P for polygon and make it num sides plus width. No, that's how I would do a circle. But I guess it could be the same thing as a box. Right, but the num sides plus width isn't supported yet. That's what I mentioned before. I need to add the ability. No, loops, variables, and defined functions don't make a lot of sense because it's way out of scope of what this is supposed to be. If someone else wants to build a laser system and write something else that does that, sure. But scope, folks, scope. No, it's out of scope of what I want to code. Yeah, no. No, not really. It's out of scope of what I'm trying to achieve with this. Right? So anyway. So I already said I want to do a teleport which needs an X and a Y. I need to support an X and a Y, right? So an X comma Y, which means I need to be able to do multi-value parsing, which I don't have yet. Once I've got multi-value parsing, then I could do P for polygon, right, with 2 values, sure. And then that could be a box or it could be a circle. It could be whatever. It could be a hex, sure. Well, I'm sorry you're frustrated, Mark, but think about it from my point of view. I'm not saying your ideas are stupid. What I'm saying is I'm asking you, what do you want to draw? Let me help you optimize it. And you're coming back with, I'm not telling you what I'm going to draw, but if you gave me blah, 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 that would be awesome. I need blah, blah, blah. And I'm looking at your blah, blah, blah going, that is just an insane level of complexity that I don't think you need. You might think you need, but I don't think you necessarily need, or I don't think the system needs that level of complexity to save you some stuff, but you won't tell me what you want to draw and let me help you optimize it. I might have a way of giving you 50 more characters space than you've got right now by doing something that's 10% of the work and complexity of what you're asking for. But you won't tell me what it is. But you're frustrated. Right? That's the thing. What do you want to draw? What shapes have you got on there that I can optimize for you? Right, that's what I want to do with the teleport, sure. Well, it'll be T without a space. But no, it won't be teleport by, it'll be teleport to. It won't be a move by, it'll be a move to. Think about who you're talking to. I can optimize stuff myself and I don't want to share the item as a surprise. Okay, well then but I can't help you because you can optimize it yourself. That's cool, but you can't without me changing all of my code and implementing stuff that you need. We can't work together on that then, right? But you want to be frustrated. You want to call out to me that you're getting frustrated with me. It works both ways, mate. It really does. Like, how many times have I said, I'm trying to keep this stuff simple? Simple, right? Adding variables that you can set a bunch of code and then repeating those variables everywhere is not simple. It does not fit at all with how any of my parsing works right now, which means all of my parsing has to be redone from scratch. So it's not going to happen. I'm going to take away everyone's functionality to be able to do what they're doing right now and completely break it to add your swap in variable stuff. And you won't let me find you a different solution. So SVG path uses lowercase relative moves and uppercase for absolute moves. Such a thing would be nice for rotation and also teleportation. Yeah, okay, that's cool. It's all on the ESP32. It has to be. That's where all the commands lists are built. The ESP32 gets a string. Your issue is your strings are too long. Let me help you make your strings shorter. Let me help you make them shorter that is supported in my parsing system, not that needs me to replace my whole parsing system. Right? If we didn't have a length of characters issue, then it wouldn't be a problem. But we do. We have a Discord limit, we have a YouTube limit. So you need to put less characters. Yeah, Rhoda, I like the idea of lowercase and uppercase. Right now, I force everything to uppercase. But I also think that's going to be confusing for people. It's the complexity of upper and lower. Like, some people are using upper, some people are using lower now. And having that be different and not understanding why it's different, I think, again, could be problematic. Could be hard. Okay, well, I think we've been going over 3 hours. So maybe it's time to, I'm familiar with Lisp, Chris. I'm not building a programming language for this thing. What it's doing now is all I ever wanted to do with this. It's beyond whatever I wanted to do with this, right? It's not because I don't know how to code it. It's not because I don't want to rewrite all the code. It's not because I'm lazy. It's because this was my aim. I never even expected to take it this far, right? But, you know, it seems that you're all not happy with me stopping here. But, you know, parsing in the Python won't help because it's just going to make the strings longer. I can't take your variable stuff that you did and pre-process that in Python because then it'll be a string that's too long. The idea is to get the strings shorter. Catch you later, Carsten. Plus, I'm also parsing. I'd have to be parsing in 2 different platforms, coming from YouTube, coming from Discord. But there's no parsing I can do that's going to make it any smaller. I still have to pull it apart again on the ESP32 side. So, do I need delimiters? Yes. Right? Can I shorten the commands from less than 1 character? No. I don't have a limit on how big I can send, I don't believe. I don't know if MQTT has a limit. Can an ESP32 take a 500 characters? Sure. Can MQTT receive and send 500 characters? I don't know. Can YouTube send it? No. YouTube chat can't send it. Can Discord send it? No. So does it matter if my ESP32 can do it? Sure, I used to write complex programs on my HP as well, but that's not what this is. That's not what I designed this for. Hello, Mihao. Well, you have rolling text, but why do you need to define the speed and the size of the text? Mihao? You already have scrolling text. So you want to send a compressed... Right. So you don't consider you compressing your commands and me having to decompress them to send them to get it to display more than what it does right now. You don't see that as just a step beyond what's sane or scope in what I'm trying to do here. That's really weird. Can you send a draw list in the raw? Well, no. I mean, I'd have to write a completely different system to do that. You know what you can do right now. It's what it's doing right now. What it's doing right now is what you can do right now. So, can you send a draw list? No. Would I have to completely rewrite a whole different thing? It'll be a different command. It'd have to be completely different parsing. But how would I validate the commands? How would I validate whatever? Like, this, like, it's gone from a bit of fun to, yeah, to too far. Yeah, doubts. Thanks, Graham. Yeah, they can't get rid of the red freckle. I don't know what it is. Sell them a kit and they can make their own silly system. Hey, Michael. I'm not laughing at you like you're stupid. You're asking for advanced stuff, and I'm been saying the whole time. Oh, Mark's done boobies, and I've been saying the whole time that that was not like my aim isn't to make this the most advanced system ever. Oh, we've got the Olympics, right? That's all. I'm not laughing at you. I'm not calling you stupid. Like, I just don't know how many other ways to explain that. It's taking it further than what I want to do with this system. That's all. Like, anyway, that's where the disconnect is. Cheers, everyone. I'm not looking for praise on this. Thank you. That was my point. Like, but I appreciate it though, folks. It's like, boobies is Looney's password. I don't think it's necessary to make this any more complicated. Animation's not possible. As I've said. Movement, yes. Rotation is not possible. So, you know, once again, sure. Movement's possible. Yep. It's just going to add more commands, which is going to reduce the amount of commands you've got. It's going to add longer text and reduce, like, you know what I mean? It's just a wall laser for live stream. Smoke machine for the effect. I'd have to wear a face mask. Yeah, sideways movement. I've already got support for sideways movement. Well, right now it is only sideways movement, right? Because I'm limited to one axis. Because I've got no X, Y parsing. But I think rotation is more interesting than movement. But yeah. Oh, is that Pac-Man? We got Pac-Man. I'm happy to keep expanding it, but I want to expand it not by reinventing it. I mean, think about like those two eyes there, right? I could make that be a much simpler command. And those rings there, like I don't know what that. Who drew that one? Who did the rings? So I'm waiting for it to come up again. I want to see who did the rings. I missed the name. Mike's boobies. Child. Alright, Dutch tourist. Okay. Right, so look at all those commands for those rings. Like, I could make that less than a third of those commands by adding the ability to draw a circle or a polygon. Although doing a polygon with segments and length, so width and segments is hard. That's a lot of maths to go backwards. But anyway. Yeah, I mean, all of those loop commands, anyway, I can save a lot of those. Okay, I'm going to go. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for all the pictures you've been drawing and stuff. And all your feedback. Even the complex requests. I don't mean to make anyone feel stupid. There's, yeah. I'm going to leave on the boobies. Okay. Bye, everyone. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good sleep if it's sleep time. And a good day if it's not. Same time, same place next week. Maybe for something not laser related. Will be cool. Catch you later, everyone. Bye.